In my last video, I showed you how to make an NPC always look at the player. But there was one big problem. Players can push the NPC around. And if you anchor it, the script breaks. So in this video, I'll show you the correct way to fix this. No anchoring, no bugs. So here's what's happening. If your NPC is not anchored, Roblox physics lets players push it. But if you anchor it, the NPC can't rotate anymore. So we need a way to lock its position while still allowing rotation. Let's remove the old script with new one. You can get this updated script in the description. First, we get the humanoid root part because that controls movement and rotation. Next, we set the network owner to nil. This makes the server control the NPC instead of the player, which already reduces pushing. Then we increase the density of all parts to make the NPC heavier. Now this is the most important step. We store the NPC's original position once, not every frame. Then we use body position to lock it there. This means even if a player pushes it, it will snap back instantly. Next, we use BodyGyro to control rotation. We only allow rotation on the Y-axis so the NPC doesn't tilt. Finally, every frame, we find the closest player and rotate the NPC to face them using BodyGyro. We keep the same Y position so it doesn't look up or down. So instead of anchoring, we lock position with body position and control rotation with BodyGyro. Now the NPC cannot be pushed at all, and it still smoothly looks at the player. If this helped you, like and subscribe, and comment what Roblox tutorial you want next.